back to the channel. So sports are starting to come back. Game day, weekends, maybe you're hanging out with friends in groups of less than 12 people. So we thought it would be a good idea to pull off a chicken wing recipe because I know we're craving wings. Everybody loves wings, especially on the weekend. Who doesn't like a good party wing, chicken wing, stuff like that? So Babe did the research, found an awesome recipe, and we've made this recipe, a variation of this recipe before, but this is going to be Babe's take on it this time. And this is going to be
This is going to be a copycat recipe of Buffalo Wild Wings spicy garlic chicken wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings copycat recipe, spicy garlic chicken wings.
Yes.
Okay.
Delicious.
And we're making it in the Ninja Foodi.
Yeah.
We're using the air fryer feature. If you guys don't have a Ninja Foodi, well, there's a link below. But if you don't have a Ninja Foodi, use your air fryer. You can, if you have a convection oven, like a toaster oven or something like that, you can use that on the stove, or you can just use your oven.
Or deep fry them.
Well,
I mean, it's
because
bad.
Health.
Yeah.
And so, anyways, no matter what device you have, make these wings. So without further ado, spicy garlic chicken buffalo wings, Buffalo Wild Wings style?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
So before we do our shopping list, I'll tell you what we did with our wings. We had to prep them ahead of time, and we did a little bit of baking powder and some salt. We put them in a bag. We shook it all up. We laid them on this rack. We put it in the refrigerator, let them dry out for 1 hour, and that's going to give you that extra crisp for your air fryer or your oven or your deep frying or whatever. So for the shopping list, we have it broken up into 2 parts. We have our dry rub that you marinate them in before the air fryer, and we have our wet after you have air fried them, what you're going to mix them in, and that's going to be your final step. Here's your shopping list for about 12 wings. A half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, which we used on the wings ahead of time, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of oil. We used avocado oil. That's for your dry rub. For the wet, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, or a little extra like we like to add, 3 tablespoons of butter, a 1/2 cup of cayenne pepper hot sauce. We used Frank's, a tablespoon of honey, a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Brown sugar, cayenne pepper, onion powder.
How's those gloves fitting you, babe?
They don't. I don't know why you buy your own.
We got
size
some new
gloves.
ones that are mediums. They'll fit you.
Those aren't food grade.
Oh. Well, they'll do the trick.
Oil. I have my hair gloves
Oh, yeah,
and vinegar. Those will do. All right, so we're going to get this all mixed up and get that dry rub on there all over everything.
Okay, so that's the Ninja Foodi air fryer basket. Whatever air fryer you guys have, just use that. And we're gonna run them at 400 degrees in the air fryer, and they're probably gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. But the way that I like to make wings, the way that me and Babe like to make wings, is that we run it for about 5 or 6 minutes at 400. Then we do a little flipperoo. We'll check the temperature, and your chicken wings need to be at 175 internal when they're all done. So we'll fit however many we can fit in there, and then we'll make a couple batches, and then we'll start working on the wet, warm, delicious buffalo garlic amaze sauce. Oh yeah, babe. So we want to do air crisp, and we want to do 400, and let's just do 6 minutes and hit party. There we go. Let's start working on our sauce.
So I have my pan heating up. We're gonna start with our butter. And then we're gonna get that melted down, and we're gonna throw our garlic in, saute our garlic, and then we're gonna start putting the other things in bit by bit. We're gonna get that boiling, get everything married together, and then it'll be ready to go. In goes the garlic. This is our favorite part. So you want to get this garlic sauteed. I've got it on medium. Give that about 30 seconds.
because that's really going to be the best part.
Oh yeah.
With the hot sauce and the garlic.
Anything with the garlic is amazing. Okay, next we're gonna put our honey in. Hot sauce. Cayenne pepper. Regular pepper. We're gonna let that simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay, babe.
Okay, it's been 6 minutes. They're looking good. Let's just check the temperature. We want them at, what is it, babe?
175.
175. So
I mean, they're nowhere close yet.
no, not even close. So after 6 minutes at 400, we're at about 106.
Yeah, so let's do another 6 minutes and they'll be good.
Okay.
You want to give them a
You want
little
me to give them a
flip?
little flippy?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Ooh.
Always practice safe food hygiene, right, babe?
Yes. So we have to
Some-
wash them since we touched the raw meat.
Some behind the scenes action.
Don't be yicky.
Let's put it on the screen. Don't be yicky.
Yeah, babe. And through the magic of TV, just like that, all wings are done, crispy, ready to go. They smell phenomenal. We have our sauce ready to go. I'm gonna dump this on our wings, mix it all up, and then
Give it a
we're
good
gonna-
toss, babe.
Yeah, I'm gonna toss my wings, and then we're gonna give it a try. This sauce smells very spicy and delicious. My
You can
mouth
definitely
is,
smell the garlic. And you can definitely smell the spice.
yep. My mouth is actually watering. So. Oh yeah, babe. What do you think?
I think we need to plate it up and give it a whirl, babe.
I think so too. Woo!
What's wrong?
Spicy.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready. So before we jump into the wings of fire, because, well, I don't know how hot they're going to be, but they smell pretty freaking hot. And they smell like garlic and hot, which I'm pretty excited for. Let's put our channel sponsors up on the screen. Without you guys, our channel wouldn't be possible. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. If you're interested in getting your name on the screen, there's a little bit? No, there's not a little bit. There's a join button, and it looks like this right here. Click the join button. There's a couple different levels. It supports the channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So without further ado, here we go. No, here we go. We jump into it. Now, I don't know, babe, are you a drumstick or are you a flat?
I like drumstick,
I like drumstick too. I'm a drumstick
Yeah.
kind of guy.
but I usually like blue cheese. I like to dip blue cheese.
But we're out of blue cheese.
So we're doing healthy ranch.
I'm doing nothing.
Or you can do nothing.
I just
You
want
ready?
to. Here you go, babe.
Cheers.
Oh, it's dripping on me. It's not as spicy as I thought. Not at all.
Those are really good.
It's really good.
Uh-huh.
You take the franks,
I'm gonna do it.
garlic,
Honey.
honey. I'm into it. This actually tastes exactly like Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah. It's really good.
Oh,
Okay, babe.
for as spicy smelling as it,
It's not bad.
not bad at all.
Really good.
Yeah,
Lots of flavor.
lots of flavor. And
And-
super easy to make. 12 minutes at 400 in the air fryer. Why not?
Winners.
Winner, winner. Chicken
Chicken
dinner.
dinner. Yeah.
All right.
It's good.
We'll see you guys on the next video.
Thank you, everybody.